Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you all how to connect the ps5 controller to the TV. So obviously I am not doing this method because that does not work. I think everybody should know that at this point. So what I do is connect it through the phone using this app, not remote play. It's kind of like remote play. You just download this app called PS Pad. It works on it says PS4, but it works on the PS5 controller. So yeah, PS Pad. Just open it up. You want to click connect, but hide this. It should look something like this. And then you just go to your remote play, to get your number, your registration number, and you select on the firmware. Yeah. After you get that, you connect. It should connect you automatically to here, and you should have ads popping up, which is annoying, but you just gotta hope you have good internet. By the way, you have to have good internet or decent. I guess you just gotta be lucky because sometimes it be very delayed. So after, if you do this, that works. I'll show you what I mean. So no tricks, this works. When you connect it on Bluetooth controller, it will work. Watch. No tricks. There is delay sometimes, but it does work. The only thing that doesn't work is vibration. Vibration is taken away. It only works on the phone. But what you do get is most features. You don't get any swipe though. You can't really swipe. So if you're playing like Ghost of Tsushima, you can't really sheath your sword. You can only press. This works though if you click it. Every button works except for this button because the mic is not available. By the way, your mic will not work, so you might have to connect 2 different controllers. So you have to make another account. Tell your friends that you're gonna join. You're gonna let a third user join, and so you can put the mic on the other PS4 controller, and you can play the PS5 controller with your friends. But it does tend to get very delayed, and it's kind of annoying. But when it does work, it works well. This is like the best way that you can do right now. So yeah. So I guess we'll play some games. We'll play some Ghost of Tsushima with the controller as well. Alright. We're gonna get in the game, and yeah. This is Ghost of Tsushima, and yeah. It works. Not kidding. Sometimes it can be delayed. You can do whatever you want, see? Attack, roll, or prepare for a roll. So yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.